بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Good morning, my shining stars of grade 7th. Welcome back to your social studies class. Stay home, stay safe. Take care of yourselves and your family. I hope you are doing well and enjoying online classes. This is the 7th week and I am going to start today's lesson. You all must participate actively in the Google Classroom. I am sure that my brilliant minds are taking great interest in doing their homework and assignments seriously in time. No doubt studious students are participating well and able to ambiguity towards the contents taught till date. Now let's start today's class. Dear students, you know very well that you should have your social studies textbook with you, along with pen and notebook. Dear students, you know very well that you should have your social studies textbook with you, along with pen and notebook. Dear students, our today's lesson is environment. The word environment is derived from the French word envirer that means to encircle or surround. Dear students, air we breathe, water we drink, food we consume and land we live on are all contaminated by industrial activities. There is no zero pollution industry. Because of the lack of self-discipline and not worrying about our future generations, the valuable resources are polluted. To solve above problems, knowledge of environmental studies is very important. Whatever we see in our surroundings makes the environment. For examples, table, chair, school, car, parks, newspaper, mountains, rivers, trees, clothes, books and so on.
Components of an environment. The environment consists of two main components. They are 1. Abiotic or physical environment. 2. Biotic or biological environment. Both biotic and abiotic components together constitute the natural environment. Environment varies in different parts of the earth due to differences in the climate. It is this fact that decides what sort of organism can live in a particular area. For example, a camel lives in a desert environment, and a polar bear lives in a cold environment.
Dear students, environment means the surroundings or conditions in which person, animal, or plant lives or operates. Or, environment is the place, people, things and nature that surround any living organism. It is a combination of natural and human-made resources. You can write any one or both of the definitions on your notebook and give at least 2 examples of environment. Dear students, all the inhabitants of a particular place at particular time. In this lesson, we will talk about the human population. The population of any area does not remain same, it keep on changing. For example, population of Qatar. In 2011, population of Qatar was 2.036 million. In 2014, population of Qatar was 2.459 million. In 2018, population of Qatar was 2.782 million. Dear students, as you know that the world is already very much populated. In 2007, the world's population was 6.5 billion. It is estimated that in 2050, it would be 10 billion. In the next classes, we will learn about the consequences of overpopulation. Dear students, let us have an overview of population lifestyle 3,000 years ago. 3,000 years ago people. 1. Most of the people lived in small villages. 2. The only smoke was from fires for heating and cooking. 3. Much of the world was covered with forest and trees. 4. There was clean environment. 5. We had all organic food. 1. Household goods were simple and usually lasted a lifetime. Made of wood. 2. Sewage and manure saved and used as fertilizer for the land. 3. Only herbs were used as medicine. Dear students, hope now are well aware of the condition of people and environment prevailing about 3,000 years ago. Dear students, hopefully you are doing your work on notebook. Students, your work should be complete on notebook, draw proper margin line, write date on the top. Take interest in doing your written work and feel free to ask if you face difficulty. Keep your worksheets with you. Thank you.